What a time to be alive, right? Samsung hasn't even finished rolling out the stable One UI 8 update to most phones, and we're already talking about One UI 8.5. And guess what? Thanks to a leaked build, we've got an early peek at what might be coming with the Galaxy S26 series straight out of the box. The most exciting part? It looks like Samsung's finally bringing that rumored privacy display to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. According to leaks, it's powered by something called Flex Magic Pixel technology. Basically, the display uses AI to control viewing angles, so only you can clearly see the screen while people sitting next to you just see a dim mess. No more shoulder surfers peeking at your messages on the train. The code even mentions two different modes. There's a maximum privacy mode that dims the screen for extra security, and then there are manual settings, which might let you customize how it works. Imagine setting it to kick in automatically for banking apps, messaging, or even on a schedule. Pretty cool, right? Now, Samsung hasn't actually confirmed any of this yet, and since the feature relies on Flex Magic Pixel tech, chances are it's going to be limited to newer phones, at least at first. Most likely the S26 Ultra gets it, but there's always a chance it spreads to the Pro or other models in the lineup. At the end of the day, this is just what we're seeing in the leaked build. More features could pop up before the official launch because remember, the Galaxy S26 series will be running One UI 8.5 right out of the box. So, what do you think about this privacy display? Would you actually use it? Or is it just another fancy feature that sounds cooler than it is? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.